Well, Matt, rain, it switched over from snow to freezing rain. It's not much snow on the ground. Jake is going to show you down here, but there's plenty of slippery ice, which could make for dangerous conditions on both the sidewalks and roads. The first snowfall captured on Eyewitness News Skycam around 10:30 a.m. outside of the main branch of the Philadelphia Library was the beginning of a storm system moving through the Delaware Valley. Over in Lower Saucon Township in Northampton County, heavy snowfall and slick roads made conditions difficult for drivers. A similar scene on Route 309 in Coopersburg in Lehigh County. All day, drivers were urged to take extra caution after multiple accidents. PennDOT temporarily reduced the speed limit to 45 miles per hour on I-78 in Lehigh, Berks, and Northampton counties. In North Philadelphia, snow fell on Broad Street near Butler and Erie. While a headache for some, it was fun for others as many went on ice skates at Dilworth Park in downtown Philly. Snow switched to hail and freezing rain this afternoon in Darby. We got mixed reactions on the wintry mix from commuters.
I have to be careful and watch myself because of the ice. I think the ice is more of a danger than the actual snow and all.
Yeah.
But other than that, I've been mobile and able to move around.
Well, the weather wasn't too bad. It was pretty fair to me.
PennDOT crews have been treating the roads since yesterday. They plan to continue until after the storm and also after the roads are clear of both snow and ice. They say if you do not have to go out, if you can, just stay off the roads. Reporting live in Darby, Chantee Lans, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Chantee.